Hi guys, Kate here from the Lil Helper social media team. I don't know about you, but as a mom of a very active 4-year-old and a 9-month-old who will not sleep, I like to conserve my energy for the things that really matter, like breastfeeding and taking care of my kids in general, fighting off monsters in the middle of the night, super mom, and looking fresh to death once in a while. You will notice one thing conspicuously missing from that list, and that is cloth diapers and cloth diaper laundry. So I am here today to share with you my lazy mom tips for cloth diapers. My first tip is to use disposable liners. Love these bad boys. I'm not actually using the Lil Helper brand ones right now because I've run out and I've got some more on the way. Concept is the same. You place the liner on top of the inserts like so. And when your baby poops in it or pees, you just dispose of it responsibly. Easy peasy. My next tip, I don't know if they'll like this one over at Lil Helper headquarters, but I actually don't snap in my inserts. I don't do that because when it comes time to toss my diapers in the laundry, I can just do this. Those were all clean. I did not just dump a pile of dirty diapers on my office floor. Trust me. So yeah, that saves some time. You don't have to unsnap any diapers before you put it in the wet bag, or before you're not sitting there in front of the laundry machine digging through pee and poo diapers, unsnapping anything. That tip won't necessarily work for people with super squirmy babies because you'll want to make sure that those inserts are snapped in place and not shifting around on you. But if your baby's a little bit more chill, you're good to go, homie. My last tip is a bit of a two-parter. So the first way you can do it is you either take some time when your diapers are clean and dry, you can take some time to put them together. So put the inserts in the diaper and snap the cover in and put them on the shelf. Or you can set up piles. You've got your covers, big inserts, small inserts, liners. So that means when it's time to do a diaper change, you just go yoink, 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 and put them together and Bob's your uncle. Now, I don't do it that way because I'm a bit of a last-minute diaper bag packer, so I need diapers ready to roll like my family. That is the biggest joke. My family ready to go. No. Anyway, those were my lazy mom cloth diaper tips. I hope you like them. If you have some more, please send them my way. I am so tired. My 9-month-old just won't sleep. And coffee is life, folks.